is Steffi, and this is my take on the Rockstar Girlfriend makeup trend. I am starting off by color correcting. Next, I am applying my concealer with the help of a brush. And blending it out with my blender. I don't like using foundation, hence I use a BB cream because I don't usually like full coverage and like it natural and sheer. To do the eyes today, I'll be using a paper tape and place it right there on the outer side of my eyes so that I can place the eyeshadows in a straight line. Taking the eyeshadow Secret, I'm just gonna put it as a base color and cover my entire eyelid. The second color is Tease. I'm putting it really close to my lash line and blending it together with the base color. The third color is Lace, and I'm also just putting it on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it all in. Trying to create almost like a cut crease, I am taking the color Bear and putting it in the inner corner of my eye. The last colors that I'm taking are Tickle and Spanked, mixing them together and putting it on the outer corners of my eyes and blending all the colors together. For a smoky eye effect, I'm gonna take a very sheer black eyeshadow and will create an eyeliner shape. To deepen the sheerness of the black, I'm taking a pencil eyeliner and defining it. To highlight my inner eye corners, I am taking a white shimmery color and putting it even in the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I took another dark brown eyeshadow and put it on the outer corners of my eye and a shimmery color and put it right in the middle of my lower lash line. For my blush, I'm taking a similar eyeshadow that I put on my eyes and just blending it in the apples of my cheeks. To complete the cheeks, I'm using a highlighter shade. It's a very pretty pink champagne color. I'm putting it on the nose, cheeks, and just blending it all in. I didn't own any lipstick color that matched my eyes, so I just took a purpley lavendery shade from the eyeshadow palette and used it as the lipstick and finished it off with my gloss.